History. Saturn, a subsidiary of General Motors GM, was founded in 1985 by William E. Hoglund, a former GM executive. As a standalone brand within GM, the aim was to create a different and customer-focused approach to car manufacturing and sales. Saturn's unique business model included a commitment to innovative production processes and an emphasis on customer satisfaction. Early success. Saturn's early success can be traced back to its groundbreaking Spring Hill manufacturing plant in Tennessee, which implemented innovative manufacturing techniques and emphasized collaboration between workers and management. In 1990, Saturn introduced its first model, the Saturn S-Series, known for its affordable pricing, fuel efficiency, and no-haggle pricing policy, which simplified the buying process and enhanced customer satisfaction. This approach garnered significant attention and helped Saturn build a loyal customer base. Best inventions. One of Saturn's notable inventions was the plastic body panels used in some of its vehicles. These dent-resistant and rust-proof body panels were a unique feature that set Saturn cars apart from others. Additionally, Saturn's innovative production methods and commitment to continuous improvement influenced manufacturing practices across the automotive industry. The downfall. Despite its early promise, Saturn faced challenges over the years, including changes in corporate strategy and market dynamics. GM's financial struggles in the early 2000s affected Saturn, and efforts to reinvigorate the brand were met with mixed success. In 2009, amid GM's bankruptcy, it was announced that Saturn would be discontinued.